Renato P. Gomez, a Porky born in March 13, 1948, is a mellifluent blending of two comedian singers. The duo's moniker pokes fun at their physique as two lovable fatzos. For over 20 years, and in at least 33 countries, audiences far and wide cannot but be amused, as they perform their musical talents and comedy acts coupled with their natural flair for comic timing and gift for gab. Their stand-up comedy is well crafted, featuring moving stories, whimsical moods, amusing ideas, and witty epigrams. They mix gay and zany anecdotes with musical favorites, including ballads, rock and roll, and Choppy's Tagalog compositions. Their performances command audience attention. The Pork Chop Duo, known as showbiz ambassadors of goodwill, promote Filipino culture, music, and humor. They were part of OWWA's Hatid Saja program from 1987 to 1989, attracting homesick overseas Filipino workers worldwide. Their cultural uniqueness has made them popular worldwide. On October 6, 2009, the community mourned the loss of Porky, who passed away at the age of 61. His death, caused by cancer, brought an end to his battle with the illness. Porky's passing left a void, and he will be remembered by those whose lives he touched during his years.
Aral ako niyan.
Nag-aral ka niyan?
Yeah.
Pwes, may pababasa ako sa'yo.
Hindi, pasabali lang ako.
Ano yun?
Mga disenteng taong karap nating gabi, walang kabastusan.
Huwag kang maglala. Walang kabastusan ang gagawin ko.
Good.
Makinig kang mabuti. Merong 4 na piping nag-uusap.
4.
Sabi ng unang pipi, Ada! Go! Bakit? Bakit?
Mukhang hindi tayo nagkaintindihan, kaka.
Hindi nagkaintindihan.
Kababanggit ko lang walang kabastusan.
Walang bastos sa ginawa ko.
Hindi.
Oo.
Kahit malayo ka, alam mo sinesenyas mo.
Iniisip nyo kasi, huwag kang matakang bahala riyan.
Ayusin mo naman.
Sabi ng pangalawang pipi, Ada! Ay! Dumapres pa. Sumablay pa.
Bastos yan eh.
Walang bastos sa ginawa ko.
Hindi.
Oo.
Hindi. Pare walang ganyanan ng mga disente ito.
Dalawang pipi na lang. Sabi ng pangatlong pipi, Ada! Ada!
Yan, sigurado na ako.
Bakit?
Como facial expression.
Huwag mo tingnan yung mukha ko.
Anda!
Oo.
Anda! Walang ganyanan, kaka.
Isang pipi na lang.
Sige.
Sabi ng pangapat na pipi, Ada! Oo! Ada!
Yan, sigurado na ako.
Bakit?
Ang saya ng mukha mo.
Huwag mo tingnan yung mukha ko.
Ada!
Oo.
Walang ganyanan, kaka.
Akala ko ba nakakabasa ka ng sign language?
Wala akong naintindihan, puro bastos.
Pwes, makinig kang mabuti, ipapaliwanag kung bakit hindi bastos ang ginawa ko.
Dapat lang.
Yung 4 na piping yun, hindi magkakakilala.
Ngayon?
Noon lang sila nagkita-kita, kaya't nagtatanungan kung tiga saan sila. O di ba't yung una, ganun daw?
Ganyan.
O siya raw ay tiga Tacloban. O kita mo tinatakloban.
Yung ganyan.
Yan ang tiga balik-balik. O kita mo binabalik-balik. O,
Yung ganyan.
yan ang tiga Masbate. Probinsya yun, Masbate.
Yung ganyan.
O, yan ang Panay.
Thank you very much. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.